So you want to get verified. Today, I'm going to teach you how. There are two different methods to make this happen. We're going to walk through both of them. So by the end of this video, you can be verified. Let's get right into it. The first method is available to basically everyone. And we're going to start here because 99% of people that want to get verified are going to have to do it this way. And that is through signing up for Meta's latest service, Meta Verified. And this is a subscription service that you pay for monthly that gives you that verification badge, as well as a few other features. To sign up for this, you have to do it within your phone. So let's jump into my phone and I'll walk through where you can find this within the Instagram app. Right, we're in my phone, we're on my account, which is where you want to go. Go to the account that you want to get verified, then click the three bars in the top right for that account. And then for this account, you'll see it's right here. Just Meta Verified is right within that list of settings right there. I can just click that and then go through and subscribe, sign up. And then right here, you'll see I'll be billed monthly for a verified badge, extra account security, direct support, and more stickers. Those are the features you're paying for through Meta Verified. Keep in mind the price that you're seeing is because I'm based in Canada. What you will pay will depend where you are in the world. So that's where it is for this account, but on my main account, it's completely different. I don't have that option. So I'll show you where to find it in that case as well. So again, click the three bars in the top here, then click settings and privacy, because you see I don't have that same option. So click settings and privacy, and then we're going to go to account center and then scroll down and then Meta Verified. And then here, just pick the account that you want to get verified, make sure it's available. You're gonna see right here, again, the same things, subscribe. And then if I pay now, I can get that blue check. An important thing to note here is to get verified this way, you have to prove your identity. So you do have to provide them with a photo of government issued ID to verify that you actually have the name that you're attaching to your account. They wanna make sure that it's you. And so that may be an issue for some people. So I want to bring that to your attention. If they aren't able to verify your identity, you can request a refund. But once you've done that, once you give them that information, you'll then get access to the verified badge and these other features. And that's how you find it and go through that process and apply. Now we'll move on to method 2, and that is just simply through requesting verification, just like it used to be done on Instagram. So this is typically reserved for people who have some sort of influence or fame, actors, comedians, athletes, etc. And so on this, I'll read some information directly from Instagram. Apply for the verified badge if you are a public figure, celebrity, or brand and meet the account eligibility requirements outlined below. For accounts not subscribed to Meta Verified, we look at a number of factors when evaluating Instagram accounts to determine if they meet our verification criteria. In addition to following Instagram's terms of use and community guidelines, your account also needs to be authentic, which they say is represent a real person, a registered business or entity, unique, represent the unique presence of the person or business, only one account per person or business may be verified, and they don't verify general interest accounts. And the example they gave is at puppy memes. Complete, your account must be public and have a bio, profile picture, and be active when you apply, and it must be notable. Your account must represent a well-known, highly searched for person, brand, or entity. We review accounts that are featured in multiple news sources, and we don't consider paid or sponsored media content as sources for review. And they add 2 more notes. Make sure your username is what you'd like it to be before you apply for a verified badge. Once verified, you will not be able to change your username. And if you received a verified badge using false or misleading information during the verification process, we will remove your verified badge and may take additional action to disable your account. So they expect quite a lot, as you can see. And I will say they really do expect quite a bit of news coverage from multiple different sources for you to have an opportunity to be verified. I'm someone who has over 100,000 subscribers on my personal YouTube channel that's in my name, and I've been featured in a bunch of different news outlets, and I have not been verified anytime that I've applied. So keep that in mind, and don't be discouraged if you don't get accepted. It's a very random process. As you can see, it's quite vague, and I've seen people that are extremely famous not be verified, and then some people who really aren't famous at all and they're verified. So it's completely up to them. So don't take it too seriously. But if you do want to go this route and you think you meet that criteria, I'll show you where to find it within the Instagram app because they have made it quite hidden. Very likely to push more people to buy Meta Verified, but who knows? So again, we're in my account, click the same bars, and then we're going to click settings and privacy. And then we're going to go to business tools and controls. And then after here, scroll down to request verification. This is how you find it to go through the process that I just mentioned. Here, you're gonna have to fill out all of this form, give them your credentials and your notability reasons as to why you should be verified, and the links to your different news coverage and your features in different outlets. And then once you've done that, you can submit this. It will be manually reviewed. And if they feel that you're notable enough, whatever that means, to be verified, you will then be verified and you'll get that badge on your account. And if you're looking to grow your Instagram account and make money from your social media, this is the channel for you. I post weekly free videos to help you do just that. So make sure to click the bell button down below so so that you never miss a video that can help you do that. And if you want to make viral content for your Instagram account in way less time, we've built tools powered by AI to help you do just that. And in this video right here, I walk through how to use these new tools, how you can make viral content in a fraction of the time, and you can try them all out completely for free. So go ahead and click this video right here. I'll teach you how to do that, and we'll have a great time doing it. So go ahead and click this. I'll see you over there. Keep crushing it. Peace.